Welcome to our Forex Market Outlook video for Thursday, January 8, 2015. Let's start out by looking at some of the different currencies today and see actually what's going on in the market. This is our proprietary series of activity indices plotted to daily charts, starting with the US dollar here. You can see the US dollar is above the horizontal blue zero neutral line, indicating dollar strength today. The euro continues to be underwater. That's what we're looking at now. And in fact, the euro is the weakest currency of all today across the majors. Japanese yen has fallen below positive territory. We're back in negative territory. British pound remains weak. Yesterday we were contemplating a possible move into positive territory for the British pound, but that has not taken place. Much like the euro, the Swiss franc remains weak. The beneficiary of much of that strength, including the pullback in the yen, is the Australian dollar. We see a significant move higher today in the Aussie. Much the same with the Canadian dollar. And finally, the New Zealand dollar is also in significant positive territory today. So the dollar block is really grabbing a lot of the spotlight today. We mentioned the euro is the weakest currency. Let's go ahead and take a look at the euro against the US dollar very quickly. We can see on this daily chart that since the middle of December, it has pretty much been a one-way street for the dollar. We traded for the euro dollar. We traded as low as 117.61 today. That is in fact the currency pair's weakest showing in at least a couple years. We'll take a look at that in a minute on a weekly chart. The other day in one of our videos, we identified the 115.80 level as a downside price objective. You can see we are now within 200 pips of reaching that level, so we will see if we can test that area in the coming weeks. We also identified this 118.75 level as a historical low dating back to June 2010. We took that area out last Friday, and that is opening up the market to a move lower down to the 115 handle that we just discussed, and possibly even the 112 handle if we can break the 115 area. We'll continue to keep our eyes on these markets. There's a nice trend to them now, and we will continue to see if euro weakness continues. Thank you.